Are you tired of feeling like you're just throwing money into a black hole every month? Do you ever open your banking app and feel a mix of dread and confusion? What if there was a banking app that actually made you feel in control of your money? Today, we're doing a full walkthrough of the Monzo app. Whether you've just signed up or you're thinking about it, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of it, from the basics of spending to some of the clever features that can help you save and budget effortlessly. So, let's dive in. When you first open the app, you'll see your main home screen. This is where you can see your current balance, recent transactions, and your pots. The Monzo card itself is this vibrant hot coral color, and you'll see your balance right at the top. The best part is, you get instant notifications for every single transaction you make. This means you know exactly what you've spent, and when, and it's a game changer for staying on top of your finances. Now, let's look at a transaction. Tap on any payment, and you'll get a detailed breakdown. You'll see the merchant name, the location on a map, and a categorized icon. You can even add notes or receipts to a transaction, which is perfect for keeping track of business expenses or just remembering why you bought that random thing at 2 a.m. Next up, let's talk about the most popular feature, pots. Think of a pot as a separate jar for a specific savings goal. To create one, just tap the plus button at the top right of your screen. Give it a name, like Holiday Fund or Rent, and set a savings target if you want to. You can manually move money in and out of your pots, but the real magic is with the automation. You can set up Salary Sorter, which automatically distributes your paycheck into different pots as soon as it lands. You can also turn on roundups, which automatically saves your spare change by rounding up every card payment to the nearest pound and putting the difference into a pot. It's a super simple way to save without even thinking about it. Finally, let's explore some of the other key sections. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see your main menu. The Payments tab is where you can send money to friends, set up standing orders for things like bills, and manage direct debits. This is where you can also find your account details to get paid. The Summary tab gives you a high-level overview of your spending for the month. It shows you how much you have left to spend and breaks down your spending by category. It's brilliant for sticking to a budget and seeing where your money is really going. This is just the tip of the iceberg, but these core features are everything you need to start feeling more confident and in control of your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.